What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be pond hopping with my brother again, like usual. And yeah, see you at the first spot. Okay, so we're here at the first spot. Anthony already got a fish. Go. Got the first crappie, little black crappie. Anthony already caught a white crappie. But see you, bud. Just got my second crappie. It's a dark one. Get the release. Okay, so we're just at the first pond for a little bit. Fishing wasn't too good, but Anthony, you caught a white crappie. I caught two black crappie. Now we're going to the other side of the pond. See you there. So we just got done at the second spot. We didn't get anything there. Sometimes it's just really bad. Okay, so we are at the new spot, my Uncle Vince's pond behind his house. And we caught a ton of bass over here. And yeah, I'm just walking over to the other side because there are a bunch of beds over there. So probably Ned rig. Got my two rods going American Hero today. And yeah. See you on the other side. Okay, so I just got this big old bluegill. We just got done at this spot. Fishing hasn't really been that good today. At our first spot, it was okay. But Anthony got a bass over there. Yeah, well, over here, you guys probably can't see it, but I've seen bass. Just caught my first bass. Little skinny guy. Caught on my little popper. Yeah. Let's release him. As soon as I release mine, Anthony took one. And just so you know, my bass is over there. It's not the one I released. But yeah. Let's go, Anthony.
He's chilling, bro.
Just lip him. Well, sorry about that, guys. I just caught another bass on my popper. But I touched him, but he got unhooked and he fell back in the water. So, big rip, but maybe I can catch another one to show you. I'll have to release him. See you, little buddy. Well, that's the second time I just caught a bass, and it went back in the freaking water. And you guys don't get to see it. Yeah. Let's get some more. Okay, boy. Go. Another bass. Yeah, let's get a good release on this guy. What's up, guys? Now we're gonna do a little bit of frog hunting. Yeah, or technically toad. Okay, see you, bud. Any more? Got him. What's up, buddy? See ya. Where'd he go? got him. What's up, little buddy? Look at this. Look at that little guy. Got a little guy. Got this guy. See you guys in the next video.